Ever been on a business trip and dreaded the thought of manually calculating your mileage for reimbursement? Well, fear not, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Expensify and learning how to effortlessly track and submit those miles for reimbursement. Expensify is a powerful expense management tool that simplifies the entire process, from capturing receipts to submitting expense reports. One of its most valuable features is the ability to automatically track your mileage. Whether you're driving your own car or using a rental, Expensify has you covered. Now, let's get started. The Expensify app. Open the Expensify app on your smartphone. Make sure your location services are enabled. Start tracking. Tap the plus icon to create a new expense. Select mileage from the list of options. Choose your mode of transport. Select personal vehicle or rental car depending on your situation. Set your starting point. Expensify will usually automatically detect your starting location. If it's incorrect, tap Change Start and manually enter your starting address. Set your destination. Similarly, Expensify will often detect your destination. If not, tap Change End and enter your destination address. Customize, optional. You can add a description to your mileage entry, such as meeting with client or airport transfer. If you're using a rental car, you can enter the rental company and any relevant details. Review and submit. Expensify will calculate the mileage based on the distance between your start and end points. Review the information and make any necessary adjustments. Tap Submit to add this mileage entry to your expense report. Tips and tricks. Accuracy is key. Ensure your starting and ending addresses are accurate for correct mileage calculations. Round trips. If you're making a round trip, you can typically enter the destination once, and Expensify will automatically calculate the total mileage. Multiple stops. If your trip involves multiple stops, you can create separate mileage entries for each leg of your journey. Integrations. Expensify integrates with many popular calendar apps. This allows you to automatically create mileage entries based on your scheduled meetings and appointments. Benefits. Time saving. Automating mileage tracking saves you valuable time compared to manual calculations. Accuracy. Expensify's GPS-based tracking ensures accurate mileage calculations. Simplified reporting. Easily include mileage in your expense reports with just a few taps. Reimbursements. Streamlined reimbursement processes with accurate and easily accessible mileage data. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.